Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem on your SoundCore Life Note earbuds. So as you can see, when I try to select them from available devices list, after a few seconds I will get information that the devices cannot communicate. I can pair them and I will show you how to fix it in a very simple way. So just wait until this notification pops. As you can see, there it is. We can't communicate with the SoundCore Life Note. So at first I can recommend you to go back and simply power off Bluetooth on your device, on the Android or Apple device. The next step, just open the case and you have to take them off from this case and move them to the pairing mode manually. So you have to click and hold them right here with these buttons until these indicators on the earphones starts blinking. So as you can see right now at the bottom, you can find these indicators, as you can see, and they are blinking. On the white, it means that they are visible to other devices, and you have to hold them for like 2 seconds, and after that they will blink like that. So you can leave them here, don't put them to the case. Right now, turn on Bluetooth on your Android phone and click to pair new device. And as you can see, the SoundCore Life Note appears on the available devices list for another time, and we have to select this one, SoundCore Life Note, because when you go for this one, it's only the left earphone. We're gonna get the whole set of the earbuds. And as you can see right now, we get the request, so we can tap on the pair button. Okay, let's cancel this second one, and right now, as you can see, we are connected. So the left and the right, we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's how you can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.